Hey, if you wonder if there's the heart rate monitor on the Google Pixel Watch 3, then yes, for sure. First of all, in the Fitbit application, we can check date for HRV, which is located here. The quick description, what it is, why it matters. Below we can find the resting heart rate, also with a short description. And of course, we can measure the heart rate right now by going into the apps, selecting Fitbit Today, and here we can check for the heart rate, which is located right here. This is the resting heart rate, and we can measure the heart rate right now. But also, we've got the ECG, which is located right here. Take a look. We can simply measure ECG with this device. And that's all for this video, the quick information for you. Thanks for watching.